How to recover terminated YouTube channel. I am going to show you how you can easily recover a terminated YouTube channel. First, open any browser like Google Chrome and search support.google.com. Go to the YouTube option and the YouTube Help Center will open. Scroll down and look for the copyright counter notification option from the copyright terminations. You will see the copyright counter notification highlighted in a blue color. Review YouTube's copyright policies and guidelines to understand the process and requirements for submitting a counter notification. You have to fill out the copyright counter notification form accurately and completely. Enter your contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. You have to include titles of the videos that are subject to the copyright claim or any restriction. Add a description of why you believe the copyright claim or any restriction was invalid. You can include any relevant evidence or documentation supporting your claim. Submit the counter notification to YouTube for review. YouTube will review your counter notification and the copyright claim against your channel. If there is any copyright claim, then it will be removed and YouTube will recover your channel. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.